In this video, we'll explore what a reed switch is, how it works, and where you might find one in everyday life. Let's dive into the science behind this clever little switch. The reed switch consists of two overlapping but not touching blades sealed in a glass envelope. When a magnet is brought close to the switch, the blades become magnetized and attract each other. Then the contacts close, and the current starts to flow through the switch. The magnet closes the contacts when the distance between it and the switch is 10 millimeters. Such a switch is widely used with digital on-off applications, such as door closure detection for the security and household appliance. Now let's take a look at some real-world examples of how a reed switch is used. A common example of reed switch usage is in a refrigerator door. In this setup, a magnet is attached to the door, while the reed sensor is fixed to the refrigerator's frame, typically concealed behind the outer wall. When the door is open, the magnet moves away from the sensor, breaking the magnetic field. This opens the reed switch contacts and triggers the LED light inside the fridge to turn on. Once the door is closed, the magnetic field is restored, the reed switch contacts closes, and the LED turns off. A microcontroller inside the appliance reads the signal from the reed switch and controls the LED accordingly. And that's a quick look at how reed switches work and how they're used in everyday applications, like detecting when a refrigerator door is open or closed. Simple in design, but powerful in function. I hope this example helped you understand just how useful and reliable reed switches can be in modern electronics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech explanations and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.